very. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? So I'm just going to give you some um FIFA fan festival tips. I was I was privileged to go today. I've been planning to go so that even when I go, I'll come back, I can share with you guys what I did, how to make it a memorable experience, and how to also, if you're on a budget, this is a very good thing you can also do. So let's start from pre-planning. Okay, you plan. You cannot just get up and go. You have to plan to get there. So first, let's talk about registration, entry into the FIFA Fan Festival. The one that is holding in Atlanta is at Centennial Olympic Park. My favorite park for the children, my children in the church and all that. I love to take people over there. So that's why it's holding downtown Atlanta. So of course, you know that the traffic is going to be crazy. I just could not bring myself to drive. There's no way. There's nothing anybody would give me to drive to downtown this season. I have to find a way. So I'll tell you what I did. So first thing is to pre-register, and there's free registration, and there's a VIP passes. I think that one starts from $45 to 85, and one is 225 to 325, I think. But your girl ain't paying nothing. No, don't worry. I will join with the free. I will join with I will join with the free group. So it's so simple. Just go to FIFA and register and just put your information there. You're gonna get they're gonna give you a QR code to your email, which you can put in your, if you have iPhone, you can put it in your wallet, or you can just take it like that, your email, and then you go. So pre-register. After you pre-register, now what do you do next? One thing is that you cannot take food in there, okay? You cannot you cannot carry any kind of bag. The bag you want to carry has to be a clear bag, for security reasons and purposes. So it has to be a clear bag so they can see everything that is inside. We don't play over here. You know what I'm saying? So you got to plan your going. You cannot take food. You cannot take drinks inside there. Why? Because they are vendors. I mean, all these vendors are paid, so they got to make their money too. So no food allowed there. So yeah, any food you want or drink you have to get it inside there. And I think with the VIP passes, they give food and they give drinks. So I think the ones that have the 225 and 325 actually, that's what give the most. That's where you get the most. Of course, the higher the money, but it's okay. And then you get to sit in a covered space. So planning after you pre-register, planning, you make sure your bag is either little or clear bag and no drinks. What else you got to do? Then you're gonna plan how you're gonna get there. It's hot. It is, let me say it again. It is hot. So you got to make sure you protect yourself. So sunscreen, and I have this umbrella cap. So if you want to wear a cap, also your sunglasses to protect your eyes, and if you have those little umbrellas, you can also take them to help you cover yourself, especially if you're not going to the VIP passes, because the VIP passes is like a covered area where you're there and you watch the game. So the game is actually on the big screen. I was looking at the prices for the game ticket at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I was like, what? 1,500, 2,005. Who die? Oh, more, who die? No way. It's not happening. 5,000 resale. Some people are getting resale for $5,000 for tickets. No, baby. So I'm okay to watch it from the big screen. I think also what helps me is that I'm a supporter of everybody. I won't have no team. I don't believe in supporting any particular team, because for me everybody worked hard to be where they are, so everybody deserves the pump and the encouragement. So I support everybody. So because I support everybody, I don't really need to be in Mercedes-Benz Stadium. But if you want to go and have that experience too, that's fine. But I want to be, support everybody and make new friends. So that is number one. Number one is registration. Number two is planning what you're going to take with you. Hi, how are you? What you can take with you, like I said, is just You can take an empty water bottle. They have water stations because it's hot, so you got to make sure you're hydrated. So they have a water station by the children where the children have their store, their stand. So there's water bottles where you can refill your water. So yeah, that is the only thing you're allowed to take in there. So when you register, that's it. You get your water bottle, you get your cap, you get your sunglasses, you get your little umbrella, baby, you are ready to go. Number two. Number three now. Let's do with number three, which is transportation. I told you what I did. Me, I know. Oh, I'm talking about the FIFA Fan Festival in Atlanta, Georgia. 2026. It happens for once in 4 years, and baby, it's in my backyard. I got to go. There's no way because I'm not going to travel to any country in another 4 years to watch FIFA. So if it's here, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy it. So that's what we're talking about. How to have a memorable experience and how to reduce your stress so you don't have to be stressful about going to FIFA fan. It was a really good experience. There was camaraderie was there, everybody was just we were just shouting and just enjoying the moment. It was just good. Then after the game, there was DJ was there, and everybody was just like it was just fun. It was fun, and I'm going again. The semi-final, of course, I'm going to be there. I think there's another one I registered for. So you can go ahead and go and register now because I see that sometimes you say, oh, sold out, sold out, sold out. Go get your registration because they have a maximum capacity of 15,000 that is going to be there. So transportation. Number three, I will not drive to downtown this season. No. So what I did was I parked my car downtown so you can go to like Georgia State parking deck because now it's summertime, so most students are not there. So they have parking deck, and you pay and you go to Mara. There's Mata right there, Mata train station. So you get a Mata train station, you can get the Breeze card. So the Breeze card is $2.50 one way and $5 both ways. But for me, what I'm going to do for the semi-final, because I'm going to stay there a little longer today. I didn't stay longer because I just did one game and came home. So for me to be able to stay longer, you can get a day pass, which is $9. So you just pay for the day pass and then you make sure you save this because this gives you entrance in and out of the Mata station. And then if you're going by Mata train, make sure you get off at the Georgia War Congress Center. Okay, make sure because that is just like 5 minutes from Sentinel Olympic Park. Do not get off at what do they call it? 5 Points. 5 Points is about 10 minutes from Sentinel Olympic Park. So you're gonna walk farther. So my advice, my encouragement, get off at Georgia War Congress Center, which is the CNN. So when the Mother Boy is saying the next stop is CNN, Georgia War Congress Center, I know that is the key. That's where you're getting off. But that one is just 5 minutes walk to Sentinel Olympic Park. You get that? So transportation. I will not drive downtown. No. I was gonna Uber. I was like, even if I Uber, if Uber gets stuck in the traffic, what is the purpose? So that's why I decided, you know what? I'm gonna go on the train. And it was fun going on the train. And what else? And just be ready to have fun. And just be ready. I was like, oh my God. I was having so much fun. And it's a good time to take away all your stress. So if you know you are stressed, this is the season of your stress. If you're going through anything, get out of your house. Get out of your house. Go meet other people. I think today I watched Portugal and Congo DR. So they played a draw 1-1. You need to have seen me with the Congo DR. You think I was come from Congo DR? I was like, yeah, 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 yeah. It was so fun. He was so fun. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so much fun. So even if you're not in Atlanta, if you're like, I think they have Houston, and just find a way to get there is you're gonna have so much fun. For me, that was so much fun compared to being in the stadium because in the stadium you're seated. No, with the fan festival you get to move around. You get to. I just yeah, stadium no. I know the experience is okay, but for those that want it, but I want to move around. I want to be on the same level. Stadium, you are here, you are there, no. to pay all that money and tend to be restricted. It's just like being in an airplane. You're just seated one. No, no. So anyway, my people, I want just to encourage you. It was a fun time. Whether your team wins or not, it doesn't matter. It's just that it's a world game. It's interesting that people don't even know that it's going on, because when I got on the train, there was a guy that was asking me, so what's going on? What's going on here? So I had to explain to him. I was like, oh, she said, oh, are they paying for it? I said, no, it's free. You can get the free pass. He's like, really? So I gave him the website. So go ahead and go get the free pass. So he was writing it down. He brought something out to write it down quickly. So because it was getting off on a stop. So you see, you have somebody to, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Yeah, you cannot, yeah, make sure you wear comfortable shoes because you're going to be walking. Yeah, you're walking from your parking lot to the matter train. From the matter train, it's just 5 minutes. Remember, Georgia World Congress Center slash CNN. That's where you're going to get off for you to have that 5 minutes walk to Centennial Olympic Park. So make sure you get that, and of course, bring your phone and show the world what is going on. I'm gonna post some stuff. I think I did post some stuff on YouTube because Facebook they do me shakara, but they're okay now. Me and Facebook we are back to friends. So that's why we are doing this back on Facebook. So get to know people, get to talk to people, get to smile and laugh. I was dancing, everybody was people brought their camera out, I was video. I said, video, gotta post it on your website where you are. It was just so much fun. I'm going back twice. I'm going back again. I have two registration already, and yeah, so, like I said, whether your team wins or not, just enjoy the atmosphere, embrace the culture. There's a lot of culture. Everybody had their favorite team jersey. I think Ghana. I don't know if Ghana was playing today. I don't know whatever they're playing. See, I'm just trying, and this I'm bringing this encouragement to everybody. God has given us so much stuff in this life. Don't let this life, don't let whatever pressure you're going through weigh you down. There's life to be lived. You see, because whether we like it or not, problems will come. Problems that come, they will go. Mm-hmm. There's a song we sing, no condition is permanent in this life. Things will happen. There is no life that is free of problems. Listen, don't be deceived by the makeup and the air and the whatever they'll show you on social media. I was watching one lady, was like, okay, my husband, this is why I love my husband. And she was point. It's only on social media. Do I know what you're doing in your house? I don't know what's going on in your house. Oh, so that 5 minutes you're showing me on social media will now make me believe that you are all that. I beg you. So don't let this one phase you, because you are going through does not mean they show you that 5 minute stuff and we just want to believe, oh, your world is crumbling. I was just talking to somebody today. I said, your world is not crumbling. I said, God created you. God said in his word, he said, before you were conceived in your mother's womb, God said, I knew you. I said, do you understand that part? That even before your mother knew you, before your mother carried you in her hands, God already knew you. And he created you for a reason, for a purpose. So because you're going through, of course you will go through in this life. So opportunities that come like this, for you to go outside, get out. Oh, yes. That's what I told myself. No way. I'm not going to be shut down because somebody's decided to behave stupid. No. I'm not going to be shut down because somebody decided to do do whatever they want to do. Everybody has a right to live the life they want to live, how they want to live it. I also have a right to get up and go and mingle with people. So make sure you wear comfortable shoes, wear comfortable clothes. Don't wear something that is gonna be it's hot. So make sure you wear something that is, yeah, I mean, you're going to be able to breathe. Oh my God, I was sweating. Sweat, oh Jesus. So if you have like a hand fan, I think Home Depot were giving out, the paper fan. So you can stop by Home Depot if you need fans. They're there. There are games for the children. You can bring it should be a family event. If I had little ones, all my children are out of my house. Another phase of my life I've started. Praise Jesus. So you see, if my children were little, oh shoot, I was the kind of person that my children, they know now. I'm there. They are gone. I take my children out. So if you have little children, it's summertime. I always, after plan for summertime. Oh, they know. I keep them busy with activities. We go out, we have fun. It's just Six Flags is my next door neighbor. Every summer I'm registered there because the children have to get out. So take your children there. They have a lot of, in fact, they have a lot of activities for children. So get out there and make sure on the day that you're going, you go on time. So if the game is supposed to start at 11, I would say get there by 10 because it's going to take a long way for you to go through security to get it. The earlier you get there, the earlier you're able to get through security quickly. The later you get there, then the queue will be from here to Jericho. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so experience the festival, especially if it's in a city where they're having. I think some other counties have what they call watch parties, but they are having to pay for it. No, I will not pay. My friend said, "Why do you like free stuff?" God has given us things to freely enjoy. So if God has given me stuff to freely enjoy, I'm gonna look for the freely enjoy one first. Then if I don't see freely enjoy ahead, then you can get some of the money. But then my first thing is to freely enjoy. So, I mean, I've done this for so long with little children. So make sure you arrive early, explore the activities, mingle, have fun, laugh out loud. How about that? Make sure you laugh out loud. It will help your mentation, it will help your psychology, it will help your mental health, it will help you to just forget about whatever is going on. So, well, people, enjoy the FIFA Fan Festival to the fullest. So maybe I'll catch you there. I'll catch you there. Semi-finals, I'm going to be there. Right there. Right there. So you want to catch me? Catch me right there. If you don't catch me right there, catch me on social media. Semi-finals, we are going to be there. I can't imagine the crowd. I cannot begin to imagine the crowd out there. But I'm so super excited to bring you this information. So go out there and enjoy yourself. And we'll see you next time. Shalom.